Hello there and welcome. This is Mike from Renewables on a very fresh January morning in Hampshire. So this week we're going to be installing a low capacity refrigerant split. On the heat loss of the property, because it is a new build, it's a very, very low heat loss, only 4 kilowatts. So it doesn't require a big heat pump. We're going to install it on the side of the property. In the appointment discussing with the customer, he wanted to obviously keep it off the driveway and not put it in the rear of the property. So we are going to be installing it just above, sort of in line with the garage roof there. And then the pipe work and the trunking will be going up through the loft into the airing cupboard. Let me show you where the bits inside will be going. So here you have the airing cupboard. So at the moment, this is a 3-bed property. There is only a 150 litre cylinder installed at the moment, but to comply to MTS regulations, a 3-bedroom does require a 180 litre cylinder, which is a real shame because the property is only about 4 years old. So we will be removing this. We will be siting the cylinder in the back right-hand corner. This style of heat pump does have an indoor unit, which will be going up on there on the left-hand side. Okay, so now we're just taking delivery of the main products. We've got the outdoor unit with its wall bracket at the back there, which will go on the wall. And then we've got the cylinder and the indoor unit, which will be going upstairs in the airing cupboard. This is a split system, so there's refrigerant pipe work. As you can see here, 5/8 and quarter, so it's quite small. That will run all the way to the airing cupboard, connect directly to the outdoor unit, and then this will then connect to the indoor unit. And then all of the heat exchange into the water is done in a heat exchanger inside the indoor unit. To make life a little bit easier, we use a little mini genie lift. Just saves us getting it up there without a struggle. Right, so now we're inside. We're draining the cylinder as we speak. We're going to remove the cylinder, sort the pipe work out, and then start installing.